You want to say anything to anybody?
Hello.
These type of things are so out there that, this guy Steve Quayle talking about the aliens, saying that aliens are going to be used to as proof that they created us and not God. That
aliens created us.
Yeah, the aliens created us, and now they're coming back to save us. And that's proof. See, all these people want proof that there's a God, right? Well, now government's going to introduce proof that there is no God, and that all you need is government. And 90% of the people will believe it. That's what we've seen through this whole thing. The same idiots.
I do feel like, and it sounds cuckoo, that we are slowly being corralled and herded. No doubt about it. If you're rational or sane at all, just based on basic observation, right?
Well, it's really not so slow. I mean, 9/11 is really when the speed started to pick up. After 9/11, they're like, I remember hearing these interviews between these guys who were from the intelligence community, and they're like looking at each other like this. They're like, can you believe we got away with this? Nobody's even questioning it.
No, the average American citizen, dude, is, again, I don't want to be critical, but I don't know what to say. Asleep? I don't know what the term is. Oblivious? Comatose?
Overwhelmed?
Definitely overwhelmed. I mean, and I'll admit, I always admit it to you, 5, 7, 10 years ago, I was that person. I was totally asleep. And somehow I've awakened through various means.
I mean, we joke it's better not to take the, red pill. It would have been better to take the blue pill. But in reality, no, I'd rather, I don't want to be, because think about it. If you're a zombie, you're like those, what do they call those characters in the games that they're there and they're walking into walls going, doing. Yeah. That's all you are. That's all these people are who do these things mindlessly. They're just these characters in the games who are just there for, just to fill the screen. They're just mindless drones.
Live long and prosper.